After a wonderful visit with my cousins, I headed south towards Drumheller. I stopped at the Leduc No. 1 oil well and went to the Canada Energy Museum, which was really cool. I stayed the night in Red Deer to visit some friends who went to a crazy concert, which was wild. Although most of the lakes and the prairies are kind of nasty, the scenery is really neat. I'd never seen such flat ground for so long. The flat ground does mean that if you have a headwind, it's really slow. The Albertan badlands are amazing. The exposed geology is just so beautiful. Me and my friend went to the Royal Tyrrell Museum, and then we had a nice evening camping. It was so much fun. Well, we're now on day 25, just leaving Drumheller and continuing east. As I went east, I kept battling a strong wind. The wind made it slow, but that's okay. I soon arrived in the small town of Hannah, where my great-grandmother grew up. I looked through the phone book and managed to find some distant relatives. They showed me the farm that my great-grandmother grew up on, and the original bread barn was still there. I managed to find some elemental sulfur on the side of the road. Before long, I had left Alberta and I was in Saskatchewan. This rock was deposited by glaciers and is actually worn down smooth from buffalo rubbing it. I loved all the little small Saskatchewan towns. There was lots of friendly people. One of her family friends had a friend in Saskatoon who I stayed with. He had sheep and a beautiful piece of property. I continued east of Saskatoon to a small town called Watrous and got stuck in a thunderstorm. I don't think I've ever seen rain quite so large. The thunderstorm was short, and I dried off quickly. In Watrous, I went to Little Manitou Lake, which is 5 times saltier than the ocean. It's super buoyant. I met a family there, and they invited me for dinner and to stay the night.